Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of English with Altaf. I'm Annie. In today's video, we're going to learn some very simple and useful English phrases that people use in daily conversations. These are common expressions that will help you sound more natural and confident while speaking English in your everyday life.
Hi everyone, I'm Altaf. Yes, today's topic is all about essential English phrases for daily life. Whether you're at home, at work, in a shop, or talking with friends, these phrases will help you communicate clearly and easily. So let's begin and practice them together.
Let's start with greetings and basic polite expressions. These are the first things you say when you meet someone. For example, good morning. How are you? Nice to meet you. Have a great day. These short phrases are powerful. They help you start conversations with kindness and respect.
Yes, and don't forget simple replies. When someone says, "How are you?" you can say, "I'm fine, thank you. I'm doing well. Not bad. I've been busy, but I'm good." These answers keep the conversation going and show interest.
Now let's look at phrases you can use at home. Talking to family members or flatmates in English is a great way to practice. Here are a few. Can you please help me? Dinner is ready. Let's watch a movie. I'm feeling tired today. These are easy and natural sentences we use every day.
That's right. At home, you can also use phrases like, "I'll do the dishes." "Where is the remote?" "Let's clean the room." "Can I borrow your charger?" They are very simple, but using them in daily life helps you become more fluent.
Next, we'll move to phrases used when shopping. Imagine you're at a grocery store or shopping mall. You might say, how much is this? Do you have this in a different size? Can I pay by card? I'm just looking, thank you. These are very useful and polite phrases when speaking with store staff.
And don't forget these helpful ones. "Is there any discount on this?" "Can I return this if it doesn't fit?" "Where is the changing room?" "Do you sell batteries?" Using these phrases will help you feel more comfortable when shopping in English-speaking places.
Now, let's talk about phrases for work or school. These can help in a professional or educational environment. Some examples are, I have a question. Can you explain that again? I'll send you the email. Let's have a meeting at 3 p.m. These are very practical for your office or classroom.
Yes, and in work life you can also say, "I'm working on it. Sorry for the delay. Let me check and get back to you." "That sounds like a good idea." These are helpful when you want to sound polite and professional in English.
Now let's go outside. What can you say when you're meeting friends or strangers in public places? Here are a few phrases. Long time no see. What's new with you? Shall we grab a coffee? It was great catching up. These help you have natural conversations with friends and new people.
Exactly. When you meet someone, you can also say, "Let's hang out sometime. I've heard a lot about you. Take care of yourself. Let's stay in touch." These friendly phrases help you build good relationships and communicate with confidence.
What about common daily questions and answers? These help a lot in everyday interactions. For example, what time is it? Where are you going? What did you eat today? Can I help you? These short questions can open up conversations and show that you care.
That's right. You can reply with simple answers like, "It's 2:30 p.m. I'm going to the market. I had some rice and vegetables. Yes, I'd really appreciate your help." These replies keep the conversation going smoothly and clearly.
Sometimes we also need to say yes or no in a polite way. Let's see how. Yes, please. No, thank you. I think so. I'm not sure. These simple answers help you be respectful and gentle in your communication.
Yes, and also use phrases like absolutely, maybe later, not right now, of course. These are easy ways to show your thoughts or feelings without using long sentences.
Now let's talk about saying sorry or thank you. These are very important in any language. In English, you can say, I'm sorry. Excuse me. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. These show good manners and make your English sound kind and polite.
And when someone says thank you, don't forget to reply, you're welcome, no problem, anytime, glad I could help. These are very short but very useful expressions to show respect and friendliness.
Let's also not forget expressions for saying goodbye. Here are a few examples. See you later. Take care. Have a nice day. Talk to you soon. These help you end a conversation in a warm way.
You can also say, bye for now, catch you later. It was nice seeing you. Have a good one. These are casual but very common ways to say goodbye in English.
So, today we've learned many basic English phrases that people use every day. These phrases are useful at home, work, school, shops, and with friends. Practicing them will make your English better and help you speak more naturally.
Yes, we have covered greetings, asking questions, expressing thanks, giving replies, and saying goodbye. All of these phrases are small steps that lead to big improvement in your English conversation skills. Keep practicing them daily.
Thank you for joining us today. We hope you learned something useful and new. Keep watching English with Altaf for more easy lessons.
See you next time. Keep speaking English and stay confident. Goodbye for now.